Hey, this is the DIY Magician with another grab bag special. We go to thrift stores and we find the grab bags, we bring them back here, we open them up, and we have fun in the process. So hang on, we'll be right back. Here it is, another bag, a grab bag special, that's right. I paid, are you ready for this? $2. And I have no clue as to why I bought it. I think it was, when I started out getting these bags, I've had this in a pile someplace. I was getting carried away and I thought, oh, I could get a bag and it would be fun. I could collect all this stuff. Well, only thing I can figure this was kind of cool, this little character here. And my son knows what it is, but I don't. So he's that guy. He can put his arm, he does his arm, like he's doing it the Goldberg style. He's that guy. But there he is. There's some sort of little figure there. Again, I don't know. It's written on, of course it's written on the clear one. This is, somebody will put it in the comments. I know they will. So there's a character there. Now, we also have some sort of little blocks here. I don't know what these do, but they look kind of cool. So if we had a little diorama or whatever it is, I could use those to put things on. Okay. I've got a character. I don't know what he does. There's a little switch on the back. I don't know what he is. It's something weird, a character of some sort.